Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we can see how to launch a URL in Firefox and Edge browser using Selenium script. Okay. In previous session, we have seen how to launch that in Chrome. Additionally, today we can see how to give some version and we can run in different versions. Okay. So we can try that today. So before starting, I will give a recap of what we seen in the previous session. In previous session, we have seen how to set up Maven project, and after that, we have run a small script in Selenium, and we tried running that in Chrome. Okay, so today we will start with Firefox. Before running in Firefox, we will see where this Chrome driver is present. Okay, so whatever that is downloaded from um, Selenium, you can find by clicking on Windows key R, then you will be getting run. Okay, in that you type dot catch, okay, and enter. On doing that, you will be getting something like this. So you will be seeing Selenium. Get into it. So here you can see Chrome driver. Okay, so the current version of my browser which is installed is 117. Okay, so this is the version. So here the Chrome driver for that is downloaded. Okay, so because here I'm not mentioning any version, defaultly it will be taking the browser version which is installed in my machine. Okay, so we will see more about it like after running Firefox and Edge. Okay, so we will first try to run in Firefox and Edge, then we will come to this place and see how it is behaving for different versions. Okay, so before it will not be downloading the Chrome browser. Okay, so in the previous versions you can see only Chrome driver, but now they have done in a way like both Chrome browser and driver, both the things are getting downloaded. Okay, okay, we will navigate to Eclipse. Here, this is the program which we executed in the previous session. Okay, I will close. I will take a copy of it. If you copy and paste in the package, it will be asking for you to rename it. Okay, so I will give Firefox browser and click OK. So here I will give like Firefox browser test. Okay, I'm typing in the class name here, so it will be asking us to change the name of it. Both the things should be same. Okay, whatever we are having the class name here, it will be visible there, so it is asking me to change that. Okay, if you mouse over there, you can click on the first option. Now it is changed to Firefox browser test. Okay, so here before we are using Chrome driver, right? So now I am going to change this to Firefox driver. We are using selenium.dev. Okay, we tried with this one in the Chrome driver. Now we can try something different. I will try google.co.in. Okay, so I clicked on save. Okay, you right click in this particular Java file and click on run as Java application. So on clicking this, it will be downloading the Firefox and launching it. Okay, so you can see google.co.in is open in Firefox and closed it. So here we are written after 5 seconds it got closed. Okay, so we previously discussed like what will be downloaded in .catch, right? So here you again go to .catch by typing .catch in command prompt. So you'll be getting something like this. Click on Selenium. Here before we are seeing only Chrome and Chrome driver. Okay. So now you are able to see Jcode driver. So this is for Firefox. Okay. So it downloaded the version which is required for the latest Firefox. It downloaded. Okay. So in my machine I have 118. Okay, it downloaded the suitable version for that. Okay, so now we will copy Firefox browser test and create a new Java class file and try Edge browser. Okay, we will try to launch a URL in Edge browser. So click on OK. So Edge browser Java file is created. So here instead of Firefox driver, I'm going to change to Edge driver. So in the top you can witness whatever that we are using, it will be automatically imported. So in the Firefox also you can see. So currently Chrome driver I'm not using. So it is saying like I'm not using this. If you don't want you can remove it. I'm pressing Control D to delete it. So on click on Control S. So now it got saved. Okay. So now I am having the import whatever that is required for me. So in the Firefox only required for me. So that is there, and the WebDriver which is used, that is also available. Okay. So in previous first program you can see Chrome driver. Okay. Now here you see there are two highlights. I am not currently using Chrome driver and Firefox driver. So I can remove Firefox driver and Chrome driver which is not required for this script. Okay, so currently only Edge driver is required. So click on save. So before running Edge browser, we will see how it appears in .catch Selenium folder. Here you see only three folders are there. After running again we will come to this place. Okay, now we will run. Click on run as and Java application. So now you can see Edge browser getting open with google.co.in. Okay, it is waiting for 5 seconds and it will get closed. Okay, it is done. So some people may experience this one. Okay, currently I have some problem in my network, so this socket exception is coming. You can ignore it. Okay, so for now you can ignore it. So this is not problem with the code. Okay, there is some problem with the connection. As you can see, there is some problem here, right? So you can ignore it for now. Okay, so now we have run in Chrome, Firefox and Edge. all the three browsers we have already run. So now we can see how we can run with different version. So before getting into it, so I will show you how it appears for Edge browser. Okay, so here, not browser, it's driver. So here Edge driver is downloaded with 117. That's the latest version. Okay, if we come to Selenium, so here you can see the Chrome browser when you're not having driver with it. So that means that is a browser download folder that is currently implemented only for Chrome. Okay, you will not be seeing that for Firefox and Edge. So here it will be downloading the Chrome browser and Chrome driver. For Firefox, it is downloading only Firefox driver, and for Edge also it is the same. Okay. Now we will see how to run in different Chrome version. Currently we have run in 117. This particular 115 is also available because I tried with that also. Okay. So but it ran in 117 only. My current version in my machine is this one only, 117. So this is the version exactly we are having here. Okay. Now we can try in older version 114. Okay. So you can type Chrome options, give some name, co equal to new Chrome options. So now type co dot the Chrome options you can see in the top, import is added. Okay. So co you can type set browser version. Okay. So you can use this particular method and type in quotes 114. So now type semicolon also. And now we are passing this Chrome option. Currently it is not passed to the Chrome driver. Now we are adding this Chrome option to Chrome driver by typing co in Chrome driver here. Okay. So now we are saying to Chrome driver that use 114. Before it will be using the default version that is available in our machine. That is 117. Now we are using 114. So the same script without any change. Only change we done is Chrome options. I'm saving it. Click on run as Java application. It will take some time as it is downloading the 114. Okay. Wait for some time. So you can go to Chrome driver. Here you can see 114 is downloaded. So you can see it will be launching now. Okay, so it is saying unable to find the version. So we will try with 116. Okay, run as Java application. So it is downloading, I believe. Okay, you can see it is running in 116. Here it will be showing the version also. Here you see 116 is downloaded. I will run it again in order to see that version. You can see here. Okay, even you can check with 1.5. So it is running here. You see 115.579. It is running. So here you see sometimes you will be getting it. So ignore it. Okay, it's not at all a problem with this particular thing. So the default version 117, right? I will even pass it. It will also work. Yeah. So when you're having a default version, it will not show the version here. Okay. That's all I have for this video. So we will meet in another new video with new content. Okay. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting. Thank you.